What's good, guys? It's Aaron from the 30-Day No Porn Challenge, and today I'm going to show you how to stop masturbating. Let's dive right into the video. So, first of all, guys, you need to break and replace the habit. How do you break the habit? Well, you take away the trigger. So, whether your trigger is social media or maybe it's something more subtle, you gotta figure out your trigger, what triggers you. Maybe it's a certain songs, maybe it's social media, maybe it's Netflix, maybe it's Game of Thrones, I don't know, but you need to figure out your trigger. So that's the first step. Figure out your trigger and just avoid that trigger. The next step is to replace the habit. So replace the habit. Replace the habit with working out. Replace the habit with something you're passionate about. You're gonna always just come back to porn if you don't replace the habit. So replace the habit with something you're excited about or something that's productive. Just replace the habit, okay? The next tip I'm going to tell you is get an accountability software. You know, that sends accountability. It sends emails to your accountability partner about what websites you've been looking at, and that'll keep you really accountable. Because if you've been looking at bad websites, inappropriate websites, then it'll show that on there, and then it'll make you not want to do that. And if you think about it, that's how God feels as well. God knows exactly what you're doing as well. So just think about that. Just something to think about. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was how to stop masturbating. Thank you so much, and God bless. Have a great day. And click the link in the description for a free webinar I have on how to quit porn. And I'm super excited for it. Just click the link in the description to sign up, and God bless.